In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change margins in Google Docs on your computer step by step. If you've ever struggled with formatting a school paper, a business report, or any professional document, knowing how to adjust margins can save you a ton of time and make your work look much more polished. Let's get started. First, open your document in Google Docs. This works the same whether you're creating something new or editing an existing file. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. A drop-down menu will appear with different options. From that menu, select Page Setup. Once the Page Setup window pops up, you'll see a section labeled Margins. Here's where the magic happens. You'll notice 4 boxes for top, bottom, left, and right margins. By default, they're usually set to 1 inch, but you can change them to any measurement you like. Just type in your preferred numbers, whether it's ½ an inch for a compact look or larger margins for extra spacing. After entering your new margin values, all you need to do is click OK. Your document will instantly update with the new settings. And here's a quick pro tip. If you always want to use the same margin sizes, you can click on Set as default in the Page Setup window. That way, every new document you create in Google Docs will start with your preferred margins. No need to adjust them each time. That's it. You've successfully changed the margins in Google Docs. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a huge difference in how clean and professional your document looks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to keep exploring more Google Docs features. It's full of powerful tools that make your work so much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.